Heidi ho there, friends. Bobby and
Nathaniel
here today. And guys, today we are going to be showing you how to take some old, dirty, nasty, spider infested weights
of dumbbells.
Yeah, and we're going to show you how to clean them up and repaint them and get them ready. All right, so stay tuned. All right, folks, here's what we're dealing with here today. We got some old dumbbells and free weights, the ones with the 1-inch holes in them. I've had some of these since I was a kid. Back when I used to lift a little heavier, I had some dumbbells made up. I just counted this one up. It's like a 70-pound dumbbell. I don't really necessarily need to have 70-pounders anymore. So we're going to bust all these down. We're going to like sand the rust off of them, pressure wash them up, clean them up. We're going to get a set of 40s together because Nathaniel needs a set of 40s. And we're going to paint them up and bring them into the house. What do you think, Nathaniel?
Yeah, I've even got a set of 45.
Got some 45s right there. That's the only set that we have in that style there. But I think we're going to clean them up, get them going too. And guys, the reason I'm making this video today is because in my book, The Personal Body Makeover, I talk about equipment and stuff, okay? And I talk about the fact that, are you trying to lift that up, dude? A little heavy, ain't it?
Yeah.
Anyway, in my book, I talk about the fact that you don't have to go out and buy brand new equipment, okay? You don't have to go out and buy brand new weights. There's plenty of people out there that are ready to get rid of their stuff, the people that have fell off of the fitness wagon, okay? And you can buy some used stuff, some used weights, and even if they got rust and dirt and nastiness, and look at there, even spider eggs, we can clean these up, guys, and we can make them look like brand new again. If you'll watch this video, you'll find out how. So let's get going. Okay, folks, hey, we got the pressure washer out here. We got it hooked up. We got all our weights here ready to go. Daniel's got a spray bottle full of Zep Industrial Purple Power. Go ahead and spray everything really good, Nathaniel. Just put a coat on everything. And, you know, I'm going to show you what this stuff looks like. It comes in a purple 1-gallon jug. You can pick it up at Home Depot. I know that's where I bought this one at, if you want to find you some. So we're just going to go ahead and spray this down here, let it sit a few minutes. We got a 5-gallon bucket over here with some Dawn dishwashing detergent mixed with some water. And we're going to grab a rag, and that'll help us do a little bit of washing on this stuff too. And we're going to get this stuff cleaned up. Stay tuned. Okay, folks, real quickly, I want to show you something Nathaniel's working on. This set of 45 pound dumbbells that we have actually had a chrome moly finish on them. And what he has is a piece of steel wool, and he's dipping it into a bucket of Dawn dishwashing detergent and water, and he is scrubbing. And guys, we'll show you what this looks like when it's done. He's actually going to be able to get all the rust and everything off of here with that, and they'll actually turn out looking pretty good. So we won't need to paint these chrome moly 45 pounders.
Yeah.
All right, folks, hey, we got these 45 pounders cleaned up here, and they actually look pretty good. You can see some spots on here where the rust had been that it's actually peeled the chrome, but we're okay with that. These actually look 100% better than they were. And we're going to sit them here and let them dry off. And we're going to take these into the house and add them to our other dumbbells that we have inside the house. And we're going to continue on with this project, friends, so stay tuned. Okay, folks, next thing we're going to do is actually disassemble all these old dumbbells here. And where we get, let me take a hammer and kind of break them loose. And then Nathaniel. All right, take all those apart, Nathaniel. We're going to separate these weights out, guys, and sand them down, clean them up a little bit, lay them out, let them dry, and then we'll start getting a coat of paint on each one of them. Hard work, ain't it? What do you think, Nathaniel? It's tough work?
There we go.
All right, good job. Okay, folks, take a look down here. We've already pressure washed things, and we let them dry out here in the sun a little bit. We got out our orbital sander here with a piece of 60 grit on it, and we're just going to knock all this rust. See this rust here? We're just gonna knock all the bulk of this stuff off of here, and then we'll get it ready for paint. So just watch how quick this goes. You can see we've knocked the bulk of the rust and everything off of there. We might be able to spend a little bit more time on the edge here, but after that right there, we'll wipe it down and we'll shoot some paint on these things. We're gonna get them all painted up looking nice. Okay folks, hey, we're back here on day number 2, okay? Nathaniel's in school right now. I'm out here working on these things. We got the majority of these weights actually sanded yesterday. We sanded both surfaces. Nathaniel knocked out a good bit of that before we decided to quit for today. And so we got all these 5s ready, but we never did really do anything with the edges, okay? Because they could be a little bit aggravating, okay? But I want to show you what I come up with. Guys, I think I might have invented something. Let's take you over here, okay, to the brake lathe. Now I know y'all don't have a brake lathe. I'm probably like 1 out of 1,000 people that actually has a brake lathe in my garage. But check out what I decided to do. I took the 7.5-pound weights and I chucked them up on here like so, tightened it down. I want to show you what I've been doing here. I'm getting ready to bring them 5-pounders over here in a minute. Check it out. I got them spinning. Now you can take a wire brush and you can hold that up there and you can run that across there, and that'll knock out some of the rust if you want to, okay? So that's knocking off some of the rough, coarse stuff there. And if you want to go ahead and sand it a little better than that, go ahead and flip on your sander right over here. Just keep working all the way around with your radius. Guys, that turned out great, and I'll tell you what, that was so easy. I actually feel like I've cheated or something, you know, like I have cheated the laws of physics or something somehow or another. Anyway, let's continue on. All right, folks, hey, we're back home from picking Nathaniel up from school, and we are going to do some wiping down with this Prep-All chemical here. We're going to take a rag here, some rags that we don't care about no more, and we're going to put some of this stuff on here. This is a wax and grease remover, okay? So we're going to go ahead and load this up pretty good, and each one of these we're going to go ahead and wipe them. This is going to take any fine dirt off of here from sanding and any grease, okay, that might be on here. It'll be a final wipe down before we start painting, okay? So we're going to go through and wipe down each one of these really good. Nathaniel's going to help me as well. And then we're going to start painting everything with this Rust-Oleum gloss protective enamel in smoke gray color, okay? So we're going to have fun doing some painting here for a little bit, so stay tuned. How's it coming, Nathaniel?
Good.
Wiping down, buddy. Are you getting it done?
Yes.
How you like this, man? This is good work, ain't it?
Yes.
Fun working, right? How's it coming, Nathaniel?
Good.
All right, you getting it done?
Yes.
I'm about ready to paint. How about you?
Yes.
All right, let's get some paint on these things. All right, it's time to put a little bit of this paint on here, folks. And it looks like it's actually going on here pretty nice and easy. Hopefully about 2 coats will be all we need. Let's get Nathaniel painting now. Attaboy, Nathaniel. They're looking good, ain't they? All right, we got a couple coats on here, guys, and pretty good coverage all on one side. We're gonna let these tack up really nice, and then we'll try flipping them over. What do you think, Nathaniel? Looking good?
Yeah.
All right, you happy?
Yes.
You don't sound too excited. Say yeehaw. Okay, we let everything dry for about, well, it was about 45 minutes or so, Nathaniel. Then we come and we flipped all the weights upside down and right in the same spot that they were at. And we're gonna go ahead and put a couple coats on this side, and then we're gonna call it done for tonight. And we'll let these just sit out here. It's not supposed to rain here tonight. We'll just let them sit out all night long tonight. And we'll put these dumbbells together tomorrow. So we'll see you in a few. Alrighty folks, hey, we got 2 coats of paint on the other side as well. So we're just gonna let these sit out here on the sawbucks all night tonight and dry really good, and let the sun get on tomorrow and bake them. And then me and Nathaniel will probably put these dumbbells together when he gets out of school. So we'll see you then. Alright folks, hey, we're back here on day number 3, and Nathaniel just got out of school, and we're putting these dumbbells together today. Nathaniel's already starting on it. Let me show you everything right quick while he's working on this. We've got our weight bars here. They were out here in the garage. We kind of cleaned them up a little bit. They got a little bit of rust left on, but we just kind of brushed them up with some steel wool. Yes?
Hey, is it straightened up?
That's good enough right there. I'll let you go and put a clamp on. Okay, Nathaniel, you notice he put a lock washer on here. I went by the hardware store and got some new lock washers to put on here. So he's going to screw these down. Is that wanting to screw down? Need some help? Hang on. Yes. Hang on just a minute, guys. Okay, I just need a little bit of persuasion, folks. Okay. Let's snug that on down, Nathaniel. You can you tighten it down a little tighter than that? Grab hold of it. If you can, I'll get it here in just a minute. Anyway, let me finish showing the folks what we got here. So guys, Nathaniel right now is wearing a very cool looking shirt today. We'll talk about these shirts here maybe in some up and coming videos here real soon. But I got one on too. But anyway, we're gonna make up a set of 40-pound dumbbells today and a set of 50-pound dumbbells to add to our collection in the house. And then our collection in the house will go all the way from what? 8-pounders up to 50-pounders in 5-pound increments, right, Nathaniel? Yeah. No, we got 5-pounders in the house too, don't we? Yep. So Nathaniel's working on this, guys. So we're gonna keep doing this, and we'll get these put together, and then we'll watch Nathaniel do some working out with them. Okay. I had to go out to the shop, guys, to get this set of channel lock pliers here, because it's time to tighten these down. And another thing I meant to mention, if you'll notice, we have these oddball looking weights right here. We didn't have quite enough of our old weights to make up our new dumbbells, so we went to Walmart and actually purchased 6 of these 5-pounders, right, Nathaniel? And 4 of the 2.5-pounders, okay? Okay, so with the lock washers, it makes it to where, hold on, let me see if I can come over here where you can see what I'm doing. I had to get the pair of channel locks out because we're really gonna have to crank down on these. These are not gonna be for like changing every 10 minutes. So that's why we got the lock washers. But to get them on there, you gotta really crank them down, okay? Let me change this right here 1 minute, because we don't want them backing off on us. And now typically, if you were using this style of clamp, you wouldn't use lock washers because you would be probably constantly switching your weight in and out. But me and Nathaniel have a pretty good little setup inside in the house where we don't need to switch things out, because we've got, like I said, a set of dumbbells all the way from, what is it, 5 pounds up to 50 pounds, right? In 5-pound increments. So here's a new 40-pounder. Nathaniel's going to show you how to work out with that in here in a little bit. All right, Nate is putting together our next dumbbell. Here's another 5 right here, and just put it on that way right there, be fine. Just like so. All right, get you a clamp. Sorry, a washer. And I'll hand you a clamp. There's your clamp right there. Kind of like putting together a puzzle, ain't it, Nathaniel? Yeah. How you like doing this mechanical type work with your hands? Good. It's awesome, ain't it? All right, guys, we're gonna keep on working here and get these babies put together. We're gonna put them 50s together too. Folks, Nathaniel is operating a set of channel locks for the first time in his life. Is it a little difficult, son? Look here. All right. Pick it up just like this right here. Get a bite on it. All right, grab it right there, both hands, and I'll help you hold it. And pull. There you go, tighten it down. All right, pull towards you. Pull toward you. There you go. There you go. Good job. All right. You're learning how to use some tools today. How about that? All right, let's flip it around and do the other side. Keep working it, buddy. All right, let go and get you a new bike. All right, take the pliers off of there and get you a new bike. Come up here. Come back up here again, just like so. Clamp down, get you, pull on it again. There you go, you got it. You got it. Good job, Nathaniel. All right, guys, Nathaniel's putting together our 50-pound dumbbells. Wow, we got two 7.5-pound plates, a 5-pound plate, a 2.5 on each side, and the bar is 5 pounds. So these are 50-pound dumbbells. He's working on getting those lock washers in place and the spinners. He's spinning it down. There you go, buddy. All right, we're gonna get these built up, guys, and then we're gonna work out. Folks, here's the final product. We got both sets of dumbbells put together here. Daniel's going inside to get his weightlifting gloves, and he's going to give you a demonstration right quick, folks. So stay tuned for that. All right, guys. Here's Thunder Nate. He's going to do some curls with his new 40-pound dumbbells. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, yeah. My goodness, look at that. I don't even know if I can curl that much anymore, guys. Look at that boy go. Is that what you call a hammer curl? That's a hammer curl?
Yes.
Boy, you're gonna build some big biceps doing that. Shrugging, I hear you, shrugging. Okay, friends, hey, we're gonna wrap this video up today. We wanna thank you for watching the video today. If you like mine and Nathaniel's new shirts here, leave us a comment down below and a thumbs up. We're actually wearing these. We might have a possible sponsorship from a local business here in Mint Hill. And we might tell you about that in some future videos, but I think they have some really cool t-shirts here. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching the video today. Are you happy you got you some new dumbbells?
Yeah.
Okay, and folks, these dumbbells, a lot of these weights that we built these with, I've had since I was his age, okay? I have, since I was about 15, 16 years old. So now they have went through another generation. They went through a restoration and going to another generation to help build some strength, okay? And let's see if I can curl this sucker. Oh yeah. All right, guys. Woo, 1 rep. 2, how many can I do? Can I do 3? Oh, I'm gonna have to step it up. I gotta get to working out more with you, Nathaniel.
Yeah.
Have a great day. Tell them, Nathaniel, tell them what to say.
All right. Take sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell friends about this.
That's right. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.